Welcome to my channel Correct Code, the correctcode.com, and here is our channel YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will receive our latest tutorials. So now let's get into the lesson. Today we are going to learn about the navigation. Okay, so navigation means like there are different types of navigation. Today like we are going to learn basic navigation. So how like we can navigate from one page to another page by using a button. If you click any button, we need a option, right? So how we will use, so that I will update now. As of now, if you can see, we have home page only. So before going to that page, we need to add one more page, because to give the link we need to have a page. So for that, what we have to do is we need to create a page. To generate a page, we just need to go to terminal and mention sudo ionic g page, and G is nothing but global, and page, what page you want, like about, enter. So ng generate page about project tab. See, project about page has been created in, and it has been created all the pages, project.ts, module file, routing module, everything. It has been created everything. So now we will just go to about page. See, here we can see the about ionic content. We can see, let's mention full screen. It will be easy, equal to true. Okay, and now we will mention this is about page. Okay, now we have to go to home, and here we will create a button. Okay, ready to navigate. Just delete this and create a button here. Just create a button here, ion hyphen button, and inside that we need to mention router link equal to quotations slash, and which link we are going to do. So this router link we need to link to the module. So where is that module? If you go here, you can see the module here. In app routing module, you can see all the modules listing here. So here the module name is about. So what it will do is it will open about page. So just go here and mention about. Okay, and mention about and about us. Save it. Okay, and before saving, it will ask retry as. I need to give the permission as it's on desktop. So what we will do is we will go and we need to give permissions. Mostly this is one of the common practice for MacBook users. So here we need to give permission to the folder. So then only we can use in Visual Coding Editor. Then you can see apply to and closed folders. Okay, so now it's applied permissions. We have given the permissions. Now just go and click save. It's saved, and about us page also just save. It's got saved now. Okay, so now we will run this and we will check how it looks. Okay, sorry, here sudo ionic sir, port 8100, it's included, it's running. So it will open into the browser, and then we will see whether the navigation is working or not. See, it's all generating all the information. This is like HTML routing. This is like mostly like how we give H reference link. So this is how it looks like that. See, ready to navigate. We got it right here. If you can see, if I click on about, this is about page. It went to about page, right? So this is how we need to give the link. So for example, here there is no back button. Okay. So let's create a back button here so that it will be easy to test again. So it will be easy to test again. For example, okay, it will be easy to test again, where we have to write the back button. Here inside the toolbar, just mention ion hyphen buttons, you got it, and inside that ion hyphen back hyphen button. Okay, so we got the back button. Now we need to mention slot where we want to go, start. Okay, just save it, compiled successfully. Now just open, you can see we just need to mention what to do. So just save it, you just need to save and click on about. So we have got the back button here. So if you click, it will go back. So this is how we will route to the pages from one page to another page. This is that simple, nothing hard. What we have to do is we just need to create a button and we have to use the router link about, that's it. So this is one way of adding the navigation to page. Okay, so now we are going to check another way through the function. Okay, so now we will check via function. For example, just in the same example I am taking. Okay, here just make a comment, this we don't need as of now. Okay, so now instead of router link, we need to write a function here. To write a function, we need to open a brackets, click equal to, and mention here the function name. Okay, so go to about. Okay, this is like about, this is one function. Okay, and save it. Now go to home. Here we need to write the function. Okay, so what is the function? Go to about and flower bracket open. So inside this we will mention. So before writing the links, so we need to include a router, so a class. So before going to that, we need to include a class. So it's simple, private ROUTR. We need to import the router TER router. That's it. See, you can see here it's automatically imported. Okay. So now we can mention in this way this dot router dot navigate by URL. Okay. So here you can see router dot navigate by URL, or else navigate by URL, URL string, URL tree. So we need to mention how we are going to give the page link. Okay. So what we have to do is, here we need to open a single quotes slash detail detail about, save. Okay, and come here and we can check it, about, bingo, it's open. So this is how we need to give the links via function. Okay, and this is one way of writing the navigation part, and we can also write in another way for the, we can also link in another way for the same function. How it will look like, let's comment this, and here mention this dot router dot navigate, this dot router dot navigate, and just open a flower bracket and square bracket single quotes slash detail. So we can even mention navigate by URL, or else this dot router dot navigate. Now just save it. Okay, and just click on about, and it will get open. So save it. Sorry, about, save. Now just click on about, it's open, bingo. So this is the navigation type, navigation in Ionic. So in this lesson we have learned how to link a navigation through a button and through the HTML link, and also via function. So we have written a function, just click function, we have written a go to about. This function name may be anything, there is no compulsory that only this thing, you can keep any name, and just open the TS file. Here you need to mention that function and import the router module, and then this dot router dot navigate or navigate by URL, and call this module. This module will be available in the app dot routing module. If you go here, you can see the routing. So before adding all the pages, you need to route every page in app routing, then only you can use this routing navigation. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I hope you understood how to navigate the page from using a button or a function. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Let's in another video, in the next video I am going to explain how to pass a data between pages, one page to another page, how to pass a data from one page to another page. Okay, so that will come under next video. So I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, you can just mention in comments, we will update, I will mention, I will give explanation. Thank you.